Children, now you discussing the new model paper from our subject. See, so previously we prepared two papers from our subject, but now we have to write only one paper, but model paper is same. So don't worry, same model paper, but the questions will give from the paper 1 and paper 2. So don't worry, it is very helpful to get more marks from this new system. So don't worry. Okay. So previously section 1, there is the 12 half mark questions are there. So now in this new system, that section for 1 mark question. So section 2, very short answers questions are there. So this question for 2 marks. Section 3, short answers questions are there. So these questions for 4 marks. Section 4, essay questions are there. 5 questions are there. 5 questions we have to write. There is the one map pointing questions. So all these questions are internal choice. So don't worry, that model paper is same. So now we are discussing new model paper. See, section 1, from section 1 there is the 12 questions are there. So all are 1 mark question. First 6 they will give from the paper 1. See, give any 2 examples for perennial rivers. Perennial rivers. So perennial rivers. In our country, Himalayan rivers are perennial rivers. Himalayan rivers are perennial rivers. What are the Himalayan rivers? Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra. So write any 2 from these, you can get the marks. So that is this. Perennial rivers. Perennial rivers mean Himalayan rivers. It is a continuously process, continuously flows. So through the melting of the glaciers. So that is that. So perennial rivers. What are the perennial rivers? Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Write any 2. So you can get the mark. And second one, identify the wrongly matched pair and write it in the answer booklet. So in this question, identify the wrongly matched pair. So second question, see, primary sector, fishing. Is it correct? Okay. And secondary sector, mining. So tertiary sector, banking. So primary sector, fishing is correct. Secondary sector, mining. Mining is the nature based. So it belongs to primary sector. So secondary sector mean most of the industries. So secondary sector, it is giving mining. So this is the wrongly matched. And that one. So that is the secondary sector. Mining is wrongly matched. And third one, which mountains cause very low amount of rainfall in Thar Desert? Third one, see, third question, which mountain cause very low amount of rainfall in Thar Desert? Thar deserts. So actually the Thar deserts located leeward side of Aravalli mountains. So Aravalli mountains cause very low amount of rainfall in Thar desert. So that is the correct answer. If you can write Aravalli, that is the correct answer, you can get the mark. That is no problem. And fourth one, census is about to start in India soon. So census survey, every 10 years the census survey conducted in our India, and previously 2011 and upcoming census survey in 2021. So that is that. So A says, that is, this census shows age structures and gender ratio and literacy rate. A says. So A says that this census shows the age structure and gender ratio and literacy rate. So that is the correct. And B says that shows that size of density of population. Thus that B says that it shows the size and the density of population. That is also correct. So these both are correct. A and B are both are correct. So if you can write that answer, you can get the marks. And fifth one, Poorest of the poor have a provisions to get 35 kgs of grains per month under PDS. Name the ration card related to this. So 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 different card holders under the PDS system. So BPL card holder, below poverty line card holder, will get the 5 kgs food grains for the person per month. And here given the poorest of the poor have provision to get the 35 kgs of food grains. Who will get these 35 kgs food grains? Antyodaya card holder. Antyodaya card holder will get the 35 kgs food grains per month. So that is the correct answer, Antyodaya card holder. Antyodaya card holder, if you can write that, so then you can get marks. And sixth one, which of the following place is near to the equator? Here is the given some places, Trivandrum, Kanyakumari, Chennai. So which place are the near to equator? See, so Trivandrum, Kanyakumari, Chennai. So Kanyakumari is the very near to equator. So if you can the Kanyakumari, then you can get the marks. So that is the 1 to 6 question from paper 1. And 7 to 12. See, expand USSR. Expand USSR, you know that Union Soviet of Socialist Republic. So that is the USSR. And 8th one, the relation between the items in the first fair in the same with those in the second fair. So first relation, see, Vietnam, France. So Vietnam is ruled by France. So that is the correct. And India, which country? So by Britain. So India, Britain. If you can the Britain, so that is the correct answer. So 9th one, here is some given some logo. The picture given below in the logo of which international organization? So here is the pictures is very very important. So pictures. So that is the emblem of UNO. So that is the UNO. That is very very important. So emblem of UNO. So if you can write the United Nations Organization, so then the correct answer. 10th one, see 10th one. In which state did the anti-Hindi agitation started? Anti-Hindi agitation led by DMK. In which state? Tamil Nadu. So that is the very very important. Against Official Language Act. Official Language Act was passed in 1963. So that is the one of the important. So in which state did the anti-Hindi agitation started? Tamil Nadu. So 11th one, the chairman of the Constitutional Drafting Committee was Constitutional Drafting Committee chairman Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So if you can write the B.R. Ambedkar, so then you can get the marks. So that is that. So the Constitutional Drafting Committee chairman B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, very very important. So next one, 12th one. Based on the information given below, answer the questions that follows. So see, so here is the some information given. So beginning of the First World War 1914, Russian Revolution 1917, Treaty of Versailles 1919, breakout of the Second World War 1939, and Germany invasion of USSR in 1942. So it is given some question also given. Name the country which withdrew from the World War I. See, name the country which withdraw from the World War I. So before the war, which country? Russia. Russia is the withdraw from the World War I. Why? Because you know that there is the Russian Revolution started in their country. So that's it. So that is the section 1. Now we are discussing the section 2. So section 2 also there is the 8 marks are also there. So these are the very short answers. So we have to write within 1 or 2 sentences. So this is the this section for the 2 marks question. What is meant by working capital? Working capital. So factors of the production. You know that factors of the production: land, labor, and capital. Capitals are 2 types: working capital and fixed capital. Fixed capital mean fixed, and it's mean fixed assets like building, land, tools, machines. So these are the fixed assets. But working capital here is given. What is the mean by working capital? Working capital mean so the money spent on the raw material. The money is spent on the raw material. So this is the working capital. Raw material is the working capital. So that is that working capital, very very important. And 14th, it is better to ban the use of plastic carry bags. Write your opinions on this. See, it is better to ban the use of plastic carry bags. So one of the important, it is the very very important question. So it is the better to ban the use of the plastic carry bags. Plastic carry bags also, we are the lot of awareness to ban of the plastic bags. Why? Because with the global warming, you know that. So suddenly temperatures and increase the temperature, suddenly we getting the rains and cyclones. So this is the only for the effect of the environment. So that is the, so if you can write the 2 points, then you can get the marks. And 15th, and flat the below the information on the bar graph. See, bar graph is very very easy to you, so no problem for that. So 2140 million hectares and 2010 also 140 million hectares, so there is no problem. And 16th also observe the below world map and which is used on the base of the population, answer the questions that follows. So here is the one of the world map also given. So question, Asian continents look the largest in the above map. See, so observe the below world map which is the based on the base of the population and answer the questions that follows. So Asian continents looks the largest in the above map. Why? So most of the population is located in Asian continent only. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Why? Because these are all are the source of the and occur in these continents. So most of the population and also two largest population country located in Asian continent like China and India. So that's why the Asian continent is the huge population continent in the world. So that's that. And 17th, mention any two environment problems faced by Nigeria environment problem. So you know that. And so all this aqua system also polluted, and also and mangrove system also totally mangrove system 5% so mangrove system also polluted. So groundwater also polluted. So these are the some of the environment problems in Nigeria. So you know that. So Nigerian movement, you know that. So that is that. If you can write the two environment problem, then you can get the marks. What is the importance of 1977 elections in India? Another important question. 1977, after the emergency, the Indira Gandhi declared the elections in our country in 1977. All these opposite leaders come to one platform against Indira Gandhi, especially Congress party. So that elections formed the Janata Dal government of the formed in that elections. So Morarji Desai, he was the first non-Congress prime minister in our country after that in that election, 1977 election. So if you can write thus 2 or 3 points, then you can get the marks. 19th, observe the following table and answer the given questions. 19th, so here is the some information. Coalition government and some political parties from 1980s, governing parties and governing and national front from 1989 to 1990, and United Front 1996 to 1998, and National Democratic Alliance from 1998 to 2004. So here is the governing parties are given and supporting parties are given. You know that it is a very frequently asking question. You also very well known questions of you. So what are the governing parties from 1989 to 1990? So National Front. So governing parties mean JD, Janata Dal, DMK, AGP, TDP, Jammu and Kashmir National Conference. So that is the governing parties. So second question, what are the parties in NDA? NDA's parties. So that is a direct information question. So there is no problem to write. So NDA, JDU, Shiromani Akali Dal, AIADMK, JKNC, Trinamool Congress, Biju Janata Dal and Shiv Sena. So these are the questions. So that is the 19th. 20th, So I have a dream that my four little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin but the content of their character. So it is a famous speech given by Junior Martin Luther King in civil rights movement in America. So I express the sensitivity is in this speech. So that is the segregant treatment of the black and white in America. So there is that total discrimination against the black people. It's mean Afro American people in America, and separate schools and housings and employment and right to vote. So they fight for the against this. So these you have to support this statement and have to write this two to four lines or sentence. So that is the, you can get the marks. And section 3 short answer, such is the precaution we can take to prevent the spread of coronavirus. So this is the current issues question, very very important. The weightage of the current issues question 10%. It means 10 marks will get. So current issue question. So such is the precaution we can take to prevent the spread of coronavirus. You know that you wear mask and wash your hands and maintain the social distance. So these are the, you are the very well known of these to control the coronavirus. So that is that is the current issues question, is the good question. So this is the definitely the one of the question will give from that corona. So don't forget it. And 22nd, mention any 4 important aspects that attracted you about the schooling revolution in Himachal Pradesh. You know that schooling revolution, the budget, the government's also priority to allocate the recruit the large scale of the teachers and giving the funds to the school buildings and also giving the more fund to the education sectors, and also building buildings and recruiting teachers. So you know that, so that's that 4 important aspect attracted by the schooling revolution in Himachal Pradesh. At the same time, the parents also giving equal priority to girls and boys in the Himachal Pradesh. So that is the one of the important. And 23rd, see this 23rd, observe the graph given below and write your observation. So here is the number of females of per 1000 males. So that is the sex ratio is given 1951 to 2011. So here is the some figures also given. So least sex ratio in 1991. So there is a 929 sex ratio recorded in 1991. So if you can write that, then you can get the marks. 24th series, based on the map given below, name any 4 states which recorded average temperature more than 15 degrees in the month of January. So see, so here is the given one picture, India picture. So India average temperature in the month of January. So what the questions? So name any 4 states which recorded average temperature more than 15 degrees in the month of January. More than 15 degrees. See which states? Here is Tamil Nadu and Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, so Gujarat, and see any of the 4 if you can write more than 15 degrees. Okay, so that's it. And next one, 25th, who is regarded as the father of the modern China? What were the 3 principles of his program? Who is regarded as the father of the modern China? Sun Yat-sen. You know that. San Mun Chui. 3 principal programs introduced by the Sun Yat-sen in China. So San mean nationalism, mean democracy, Sui mean socialism. So that is that. Right about the League of Nations. You know that League of Nations. So League of Nations, after the World War I, the League of Nations was formed in 1919. So what is the main concept of this? To prevent the wars in the future between the countries. Prevent wars in the future between the countries. So that is the main concept. The father of the League of Nations, Woodrow Wilson, but America didn't get the membership from the League of Nations. You know that. So that is the League of Nations. So after that failure of the League of Nations, that Second World War will be Second World War happened. So that is that. And 27th, mention the constitutional provisions that facilities and social change. Constitutional provisions that facilities a social change. So social change and socio and economical support to the people, and socio and economical development of the people, and also and constitutional is to provide to reservation for the people and bring to equal into the society. So those are the backward in the society up to independence, so that people they bring to equal opportunity before the uh, before the constitutional. So that is that social change. 27. 28, explain the role played by women in anti-Iraq movement in the Andhra Pradesh. So one of the important question, anti-Iraq movement was happened in Dobagunta in Nellore district. So that is that. So it is the that is the achievement of the Dobagunta village people in Nellore district. So and totally the Iraq was banned in Andhra Pradesh in 1995, and totally banned in 1995. So that is that. So that is that. And section 3 section 3, so there is the 8 question. First 4 from will get from the paper 1, and next 4 from 25 to 28 question from the paper 2. And section 4, these are the essay question. So there is each has the internal question and internal choice. So 29th, explain about the structural features of the Western Ghats. You know that Western Ghats are the extend to lie parallel to West Coast, and also Western Ghats are the higher than the Eastern Ghats. They extend to 1600 kilometers, and also and Udagamandalam, famous known as Ooty, is located in the Nilgiri Hills, and one of the Doda Betta, the highest peak in the Western Ghats is the Doda Betta, 2637 meters, is located in this region, and also and Palani Hills and Palani and Kadma Mills in this part of the Western Ghats, and also and Anamale and Annamale and Palani Hills and Cardamom in Kerala. So these are all located in Western Ghats, and Anemudi, the highest peak in the South India, is located in this Western Ghats. So that is that, very very important. Describe the monsoon mechanism of India. Monsoon mechanism. So it is the very very important. In this monsoon season, India receive the bulky rainfall by these southwest monsoon winds. So if you write the southwest monsoon winds, then you can get the marks. What measures being taken by the government for the development for government schools in Andhra Pradesh? Explain. So government schools, what measures are taken by the government for the development of government schools in Andhra Pradesh? So what the present government taken the measures to develop the schools in Andhra Pradesh? So recently English mediums are introduced in government schools, and also government are looking for the and some infrastructures, and develop the infrastructures in our government schools also, and recruiting the teachers and staffs also. So that if you can write that any 8 points, then you can get the 8 marks. Explain the problems of the migrant laborers. See, if you see the already now we see the number of the migrating workers from the shifted to one walking on the road from the one state to another state. So this is the very heart touching moment. They travel on the road with their children and bags, and without food and water also. So that is the very emotional and heart touching of these people. So that is that. So explain the problems of the migrant problems. So you already learned. So shelter problem, food problem, and also education problem. So if you can write this, then you can get the marks. Hitler said, would not consider it correct for the women in 31st question. Hitler said, we don't consider it correct for the woman to interfere in the world for the man in his man's sphere. So how far is world justifiable? Give your opinion. So Hitler, so very very dictatorship rule in Germany. So very mass murder of the innocent people. by the Nazis in Germany. So that is that what he is. So before that he promised many to people. So fully employment and also Aryan supremacy in the world. So at the same time he given the speech in the public. So we do not consider it correct for the woman to interfere in the world. So of the man in his man's sphere, in the main sphere. So see, so we do not consider the it correct for the woman to interfere in the world. So what is intention of this sentence? So the woman and settled as household life only. So he doesn't wanted to interfere in the world. He settled as the woman has settled as household life only. So that is the intention of the Hitler. So is not giving to equal priority to females. So in the Germany. So that is the 31. And the emergency period was a setbacks to the Indian democracy. Do you agree with this statement? 31b. The emergency period was setback to the Indian democracy. Do you agree with this statement? Explain. So you know that on 25th July 1975, the Indira Gandhi so imposed the emergency period in our country. So fundamental rights are the suspended, and many of the political opponents were arrested. General elections were postponed, and press was censored. So most of these you know that. So it is a very well-known question for you. And 32, read on the information given the graph below, mention any 4 aspects of the Cold War between USSR and USA, and from Cold War period from 1945 to 1991. So see this here giving the some information also given. So number of warheads are given. So if you can write the based on the information, then you can get the marks. So that is that. And next one, so 32b. So based on the information given below, answer the question given. So here is the one timeline chart given. So first question, who won the Second World War? Second World War between Allied powers and Axis power. Allied powers versus Axis power. Who won these Allied powers? Allied powers are Britain, France, USSR. So that is the Allied powers. So Axis powers, what are the Axis power countries? Axis power, Germany, Italy, Japan. So these are the Axis power, very very important. And what was the immediate provocation of the World War II? What was the immediate provocation of the World War II? So what was the immediate provocation? Hitler invasion on Poland on 1st September 1939. Okay, Hitler invasion on Poland on 1st September 1939. So that's mention the superpower that joined lately in the World War II. Which superpower joined lately in the World War II? USA. Name the person who was mainly responsible for the mass murder of the Jews. You know, the very well known, that was Hitler. So that is it. And 33, mark the following in the outline map. Very very important is the map pointing for 8 marks. So 4 marks from the paper 1 and another 4 marks from the paper 2. But paper 1 also choice also there. Paper 1 and paper 2 choice there, but each 4. So here is some states given, and states rivers and relief features. Very very important relief features. So from relief features, states, rivers. So most of the from the paper 1. States, capital, rivers, mountain, coastal plains. So Himalayas. So it is a very very important. Plateaus. So if you check once, so then you can get the marks. And also from paper 2, you know that World War involved countries. So Allied powers, Axis powers. So remaining countries. So these are the very very important to you. And also Egypt. Here is given Egypt, Portugal, China, USA, and Mediterranean Sea, Sri Lanka, and Equator, France. So it is that internal choice also there, 4. so there is no problem. So if you can check the world map once, and then you can get the marks. So that is that. Thank you, children. So I hope you, it is very helpful to you, your examination, and thank you, children.